Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 Toyota Camry LE. This one is a light blue. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 4-cylinder pushing out 169 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 16-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A gray cloth interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our LE badging along with our Camry. Just go ahead and pop the tailgate. Plenty of space in the back here. We've got a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, we've got power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Our radio, climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Camry has 58,278 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmanimports.com.